Tired of manually categorizing every single transaction in your budget? You're not alone. Let's dive into whether PocketGuard automates this process and how it can save you time and sanity. Imagine this: you're scrolling through your bank feed, and suddenly, bam! All your expenses are neatly organized into categories like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that's the promise of automated transaction categorization, and today, we're putting PocketGuard to the test. Manual categorization is a budgeting black hole. It's time-consuming, tedious, and frankly, not how most of us want to spend our evenings. That's why automated categorization features are a game-changer for personal finance apps. So, does PocketGuard automatically categorize your transactions? The short answer is yes. PocketGuard excels at automatically recognizing and categorizing common transactions. Think restaurants. It can identify meals at popular chains and local eateries. Groceries. Purchases at major supermarkets and even smaller, independent stores are usually correctly categorized. Subscriptions, streaming services, gym memberships, and other recurring bills are generally recognized with ease. Bills, utility payments, rent, and insurance premiums are often categorized accurately. The AI behind PocketGuard is constantly learning. The more you use the app, the smarter it gets. It adapts to your spending habits and refines its categorization accuracy over time. But it's not perfect. There will be instances where PocketGuard miscategorizes a transaction. For example, vague descriptions. If your bank statement shows a generic entry like debit card purchase, PocketGuard might struggle to pinpoint the exact category. New businesses. If you frequent a newly opened local shop, PocketGuard might not immediately recognize it and categorize it correctly. Unusual purchases, one-off expenses, or unique items might confuse the system. Tips for improving accuracy. Help PocketGuard learn. When you encounter a miscategorized transaction, it's easy to correct it within the app. This provides valuable data to the AI, improving its accuracy for future transactions. Use descriptive merchant names. When making online purchases, choose descriptive merchant names instead of generic ones. Take advantage of notes. Add notes to your transactions to provide more context. For example, if you bought groceries and household items at the same time, you could add a note specifying which items belonged to each category. Regularly review your categories. Periodically review your categorized transactions to ensure everything is accurate. Benefits of automated categorization. Time saving, no more manual data entry. Improved budgeting, accurate categorization provides a clearer picture of your spending habits. Reduced stress, less time spent on tedious tasks means more time to enjoy your finances. Data-driven insights. With accurate data, PocketGuard can provide more insightful spending reports and personalized financial advice. PocketGuard's automated transaction categorization is a powerful feature that can significantly simplify your budgeting process. While it's not infallible, it's a valuable tool that can save you time and effort. By working with the system and providing feedback, you can maximize its accuracy and gain a deeper understanding of your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.